Switzerland is a land of incredible contrasts. Here, towering alpine peaks meet pristine, shimmering lakes. Quaint, traditional villages are just a short train ride away from sleek, modern cities. It's a country where you can spend your morning hiking a rugged trail with cowbells as your soundtrack, and your afternoon exploring world-class art museums. This beautiful blend of breathtaking nature and human ingenuity is what makes Switzerland so special. It offers something for every type of traveler, whether you seek outdoor adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a peaceful escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. The efficiency and friendliness of the Swiss people make exploring this compact country a pure joy. Visiting Switzerland is like stepping into a perfectly crafted postcard. The landscapes are so dramatic and well-preserved that they almost don't seem real. Imagine gazing out at the iconic Matterhorn, its sharp peak piercing a brilliant blue sky, or cruising across the tranquil waters of Lake Geneva, with vineyard-covered hillsides rising from its shores. But the beauty isn't just in the famous sights, it's in the small details too. The colorful flowers spilling from window boxes in a car-free village, the clean, crisp mountain air, and the gentle lapping of water against a lakeside promenade. It's a sensory experience that stays with you long after you've returned home. Beyond the stunning scenery, Swiss cities are hubs of culture, history, and innovation. Cities like Zurich, Geneva, and Lucerne are impeccably clean, safe, and easy to navigate. They boast fantastic public transportation systems, fascinating museums, and vibrant old towns with cobblestone streets and medieval architecture. You can wander through historic lanes, browse elegant shops, and then relax at a modern cafe, all within a few blocks. This seamless integration of the old and the new is a hallmark of the Swiss experience. The country respects its rich heritage while fully embracing the future, creating a dynamic and engaging environment for visitors to explore. This guide is designed to help you make the most of your Swiss journey. We'll cover the practicalities from navigating the excellent transportation network to finding the perfect place to stay. We'll also dive into the fun stuff like sampling delicious local foods and discovering hidden gems off the beaten path. My goal is to give you the confidence to explore Switzerland independently, connect with its culture, and create unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags, bring your sense of wonder, and get ready to discover the magic of this alpine wonderland. It's a trip that promises both relaxation and exhilaration in equal measure. Your Swiss adventure will likely begin at one of its major international airports. Zurich Airport, or ZRH, is the country's largest and busiest hub. It's incredibly efficient and well organized, with its own train station located directly beneath the main terminal. From here you can catch a direct train to almost any major city in Switzerland, often in just a matter of minutes. Geneva Airport, or GVA, is another key gateway, conveniently located on the French border. It's perfect for exploring the western, French-speaking part of the country. A great tip for arrivals in Geneva is that you can pick up a free 80-minute public transport ticket from a machine in the baggage claim area. While the airports are great, the real star of Swiss transportation is the railway system. The Swiss travel system is a masterpiece of engineering and punctuality. Trains run like clockwork, connecting even the most remote mountain villages with surprising frequency. Buying a Swiss travel pass is one of the best investments you can make for your trip. This single pass gives you unlimited travel on trains, buses, and boats across the entire country. It also includes free admission to over 500 museums and offers discounts on many mountain excursions. It simplifies your travel immensely, allowing you to hop on and off wherever you please without fumbling for tickets. The train journeys themselves are a highlight of any Swiss vacation. Forget stuffy carriages. These are often panoramic cars with huge windows designed to showcase the epic scenery. Routes like the Glacier Express from Zermatt to St. Moritz or the Bernina Express to Tirano, Italy, are legendary for their breathtaking views. You'll pass over dramatic viaducts through spiraling tunnels and alongside turquoise lakes and glaciers. Even a simple commuter train ride, for example from Interlaken to Lauterbrunnen, can feel like a scenic tour. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's an integral part of the Swiss travel experience. Beyond trains, the Swiss Travel Pass also covers an extensive network of buses and boats. The iconic yellow post buses are famous for their ability to navigate steep mountain roads, taking you to trailheads and villages that trains can't reach. Their horns, playing a distinct three-note melody, echo through the valleys. On the lakes, historic paddle steamers and modern cruisers offer a relaxing way to see the landscape from a different perspective. A boat trip on Lake Lucerne or Lake Thun is a must-do. This fully integrated system means you can plan a seamless journey combining different modes of transport, all with Swiss precision and reliability. Switzerland offers a wide range of accommodations to fit every budget and travel style. For those seeking luxury, the country is home to some of the world's most legendary grand hotels. Places like the Badrutz Palace in St. Moritz or the Beau Rivage Palace in Lausanne offer impeccable service, opulent decor, and stunning lake or mountain views. These establishments are more than just a place to sleep. They are historic institutions that provide a complete experience, often featuring Michelin-starred restaurants, lavish spas, and exclusive amenities. Staying in one of these hotels is a chance to experience Swiss hospitality at its most refined and elegant. If you're looking for a comfortable mid-range option, you'll find plenty of charming family-run hotels and guest houses throughout the country. These places often provide a more personal and authentic experience. Look for hotels with a Swiss quality label, which guarantees high standards of service and comfort. Many of these hotels are housed in traditional chalet-style buildings, complete with wooden balconies and cozy, inviting interiors. They often include a generous breakfast buffet with local breads, cheeses, and meats, giving you a great start to your day of exploring. This is my favorite way to travel, as you get a real sense of local life. For travelers on a tighter budget, Switzerland can still be very accessible. The country has a network of excellent youth hostels, or Jugenderbergen, that are clean, safe, and welcoming to travelers of all ages, not just the young. Many hostels are located in fantastic locations, from city centers to mountain retreats, and offer both dormitory beds and private family rooms. Another great budget-friendly choice is staying on a farm, known as Schlaf im Stroh, or sleep in the straw for a rustic experience, or renting a private room through online platforms. These options not only save you money but also connect you more directly with local people and their way of life. For a truly unique Swiss experience, consider staying in a mountain hut or a wellness-focused hotel. The Swiss Alpine Club maintains a network of over 150 huts, providing simple lodging for hikers high in the Alps. Waking up to a sunrise over a sea of peaks is an unforgettable memory. On the other end of the spectrum, wellness centers and spa hotels are very popular. Places like the Thermalbad and Spa in Zurich or the various thermal baths in Leukerbad offer rejuvenating experiences. Here you can soak in mineral-rich waters, enjoy saunas, and indulge in massages, all while surrounded by spectacular scenery. It's the perfect way to relax your muscles after a long day of hiking. Swiss cuisine is much more than just cheese and chocolate, though those are certainly two of its finest pillars. It's a hearty rustic cuisine shaped by its agricultural roots and regional influences from Germany, France, and Italy. One of the most famous dishes you must try is cheese fondue. It's a wonderfully social meal where you gather around a bubbling pot of melted cheese, dipping in cubes of crusty bread. Another cheesy delight is raclette, where a large wheel of cheese is melted and scraped onto a plate of boiled potatoes, pickles, and onions. These dishes are especially comforting after a day out in the crisp mountain air. For a taste of the German-speaking region, look for Zürcher Geschnetzeltes. This is a classic Zurich dish made with thin strips of veal cooked in a creamy mushroom and white wine sauce, typically served with a side of Rösti. Rösti itself is a national favorite, a crispy golden potato pancake that can be a side dish or a main course topped with eggs, cheese, or bacon. From the French-speaking area you'll find delicious cured meats, sausages like saucisson vaudois, and delicate fish dishes from the lakes such as perch fillets. And from the Italian-speaking Ticino region, enjoy polenta, risotto, and other Mediterranean-inspired flavors. No discussion of Swiss food would be complete without mentioning its world-famous chocolate. You'll find exquisite chocolate shops in every town and city, offering a dazzling array of pralines, truffles, and bars. Brands like Lindt, Sprungli, and Kayer are internationally known, but don't miss the chance to sample creations from smaller, local chocolatiers. For a fun experience, you can visit a chocolate factory like the Maison Caillé in Brock for a tour and, of course, plenty of free samples. Pair your chocolate with a coffee or hot chocolate at a traditional tea room, such as the famous Confiserie Sprungli on Paradeplatz in Zurich. When it comes to dining out, you can find everything from cozy mountain inns to fine dining establishments. For an authentic and affordable meal, look for a Bays or Wirtschaft, a local pub or tavern serving traditional dishes. In cities, food courts and department stores like Manor or Coop offer a good variety of quality, self-service options. If you want to splurge, Switzerland has one of the highest densities of Michelin-starred restaurants in the world. Renowned spots like the Cheval Blanc in Basel or the Restaurant de l'Hôtel de Ville in Crissier offer culinary experiences of a lifetime. Always remember to check opening times, as many restaurants close between lunch and dinner. A little preparation goes a long way in making your Swiss trip seamless. First, let's talk about language. Switzerland has 4 national languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The language spoken depends on the region you're in. However, you don't need to be a polyglot to get by. English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas, hotels, and train stations. Still, learning a few basic phrases in the local language, like Grüezi for hello in Swiss German, bonjour in French, or buongiorno in Italian, is a polite gesture that will be warmly appreciated by the locals you meet. It's a small effort that can open up friendly conversations. The currency in Switzerland is the Swiss franc. While Switzerland is not part of the European Union, some larger stores and hotels in tourist areas may accept euros, but your change will almost always be given in Swiss francs. It's really best to use the local currency. Credit cards are widely accepted everywhere, from mountain huts to city boutiques. For cash, your best bet is to withdraw from an ATM, called a bankomat, upon arrival, as they offer the best exchange rates. Tipping is not obligatory, as a service charge is included in most restaurant bills, but it's common to round up the bill to the nearest franc or two for good service. Switzerland is one of the safest countries in the world, with very low crime rates. You can feel comfortable walking around cities and towns, even at night. The biggest danger you might face is the high cost of living, so budget accordingly. However, it's always wise to take standard precautions, keep an eye on your belongings in crowded areas like train stations, and be prepared for changing weather in the mountains. A sunny day can turn stormy quickly, so always pack layers and check the forecast before heading out on a hike. The Swiss are generally reserved but polite and helpful if you ask for assistance. Finally, a few tech tips can make your journey even smoother. The SBB mobile app is essential for checking train schedules and buying tickets on the go. Apps like Meteo Swiss provide the most accurate weather forecasts, which are crucial for planning outdoor activities. Many cities offer free public Wi-Fi in key areas, and most hotels and cafes have it as well. Before you go, download an offline map of the country on your phone. This will help you navigate without using expensive mobile data. With these tips in hand, you're ready to embrace all the beauty, efficiency, and charm that Switzerland has to offer. Have a wonderful trip.